change. Always get caught in the rain. You say you love.
Alright guys, I'm gonna try to hold this as steady as I can. Because we got Nate in the Type R behind us and it looks like a RS, guys, I swear to God. Trying just to let y'all know. Just thought I got my mount. Yeah, he's too quick. Wait. Fuck, bro, look at him go. Bro, he's too quick. Cocky Nate, y'all. Nice. You can't just let me have one. As soon as I start stepping on it, he fucking just takes off. Bro, you said 4.
Yeah, around there.
Damn, bro. You can feel this shit.
Keep driving. And one's gonna go straight to the left.
You guys scared, don't you?
Fuck yeah!
Dad, yeah, if anything, just honk then fuck it this time.
We'll go back around.
Alright,
We'll take a U-turn here. This is a better road.
Fucking don't I got that on camera. Alright, bitch!
Yeah, I was like, I'm so scared one of those cars just gonna pull out.
I feel you, bro.
He's going like 130. I'm fucking. Oh, that's me screaming. You hear my honks? You can hear my honks? You can't hear it.
Yeah, it is.
I'll count. I'll count. All right, ready? Ready? One, two, three.
Dude, well, we can do like.
It was just me and my car. That is true.
We can do a roll that you're favoring and then a roll he's favoring, so it could be fair if you want.
Yeah, I mean, I'm done for a 25.
Cause dude, that one, the S2K and that Type R would be a good run, bro.
I think I'll get it from a 25. I think a 40. But 25.
We could try both, bro. Fuck.
My 25 is ridiculous.
Nah, bro, he was pretty quick, bro. Like I said,
I hope the
once.
rain didn't fuck him up though.
Oh, see, I don't think so, cause he's that type of guy to make excuses, honestly.
But it's pretty high roll. I don't think it fucked him up.
Yeah, but
From like a low roll, he'd be fucked though.
hopefully once he starts doing shit too, bro, like no pressure to him. Like hopefully it'll be a better one, but Dante, we gotta get yours for sure, bro, because that's 2K. I wouldn't want to see that shit.
I think it'll fuck me up, man.
Nah, bro, I mean it's just for fun. Like we don't,
down.
yeah, you know us, we're homies, bro. We don't do like, ah, we got you. Like, you know, fuck no. Yo, Nate, what'd you think, bro? Bro.
I couldn't, bro. Like when he was, like the first one, I was staring at him. I was like, if he's honking, I can't hear shit.
Yeah, dude's car's loud, bro. I was like, holy crap.
And I was looking.
No, bro, it's because you weren't hearing shit. So I was like, fuck yeah, I know.
Bro, like, it's like being next to Grimm's fucking Mustang. You can't hear shit.
Dude, yeah, yours is loud, bro. Holy crap.
Like I was sitting there, like when he started brake boosting, I was like, I can't hear shit. I was like, I can't hear him.
Yeah, bro, like he did that. Can you hear you honked? And he's like, no, fuck no. Pretty good race, bro, if I do say so, bro. Was that good, bro?
Fuck yeah.
Was that good, bro? Was that good? That was a good one. Hopefully we get him next. No, my bad. That sounds dick. Hopefully we race that S2K next. Hopefully we race. Dude, that was high, bro. That was crazy. So, yeah, bro. Stay tuned, guys. Hopefully we race the S2K next, guys. And maybe even Martin's SI against my SVT. Peace out, guys, all right?